if s and t are two different numbers on the number line, is s plus t equal to 0? So we want to know um, are s and t of equal magnitude, but with different signs, or in terms of a number line, are s and t the same distance from 0, but in opposite directions? So it could be s over here and t over here, or it could be t over here and s over here. But we want them to be equally as far from 0, but just on different sides. So you can also think of that, is the absolute value of s equal to the absolute value of t? All of these are saying the same thing. Statement 1, the distance between s and 0 is the same as the distance between t and 0. So this is actually important from the prompt. Remember, s and t are two different numbers. So if it didn't say that, it would be possible, for example, that s and t were both equal to 5, and in which case it wouldn't be true that s plus t was equal to 0. But because they got to be two different numbers, so the only way to have two different numbers that are the same distance from 0 is by having them have opposite signs. So if s is 5, t would have to be -5. And if t were 5, s would have to be -5. But no matter what, when you add them together, they will cancel each other out and equal 0. So this is sufficient. Statement 2 says a 0 is between s and t. So that really doesn't mean anything. That just means one of them is positive and one of them is negative, but you have no idea about how far they are from 0. So they could be the same distance from 0, like this, and say -5 and 5, or s could be all the way over here, and s could be equal to -1. And so that would be, they wouldn't have the same distance, so that's not sufficient. A is the answer.